Hello Mehran, this is a small demo on the stories and epics that we've completed this sprint so that you can sign them off on GitHub hopefully. So the first one would be the binary calculator. So we have implemented sort of binary calculator, and you see here we have in hexadecimal form, decimal form, octal, and binary. So for example, if I select hexadecimal and I put an A, which is equivalent to 10 in decimal, or a B for that matter, and it also converts it to every other format. So it instantly does that. You don't have to press equals. If we go to decimal, again 10 is A, and in octal it's 12, in binary it's 1010. So if you want to do 12, it's a C. If we go to octal and I put 1, 2, 3, 123. And lastly, binary. If I want to put, for example, 5, so there it is. I can add another 0 here. It's 10 in decimal. And like I just want to remove like one number, I press on C. But if I want to clear the whole thing, I just press on AC. For the addition and multiplication, subtraction, and division, we're able to do that. For example, I choose decimal, and I have 6, and now I'm gonna put minus 2 equals to 4. So we don't display the operation, but it is being done as I press on the appropriate buttons. And the reason why we didn't want to show it on the screen is because it's already too crowded, and sometimes some operations may be very big. So we argued that this was better. It was a better way for it. So I can also perform another operation maybe in binary. So 10 minus 10 minus that is this is 8, so 10 minus 2 is 8, so I pressed equals. I think this is it for the binary calculator. Also in graphing, we have implemented a history graphing. So for example, if I draw ln of x, right, so it will show it on the graph, and if I go in history, it's right there. I can clear it, or well, the history saves only the valid functions. So if it's valid, for example, if I put 2 is valid, so it's going to be saved in the history. However, if my intention was to put 2 times x, so we will have ln of x and 2 times x in history. So yeah, here it is. We can also save it as text file or CVS. So if I choose a text file, I can save it wherever I want. In downloads, for example, I can create a folder, name it or call it history text, and then choose and confirm. So you said it was saved under this directory. So if I go to my files and I go to internal storage, downloads, history text. So yeah, these are my the history of my graphs. Oops, sorry. Okay, I think this was it for sprint 6, if I'm not mistaken. We also, yeah, alright, thanks.